Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm just at my Edmonton Airbnb, and I'm just checking out, going to another Airbnb. I'm currently in Brookside, the Brookside part of Edmonton. So yeah, I was expecting to go back to work tomorrow, but I got called off for another week. So I had arranged this Airbnb till today, and then I was going to go to the Holiday Inn, and then tomorrow morning I was going to head back to camp. But yeah, unfortunately, numbers are low at camp, the client numbers, and I've got another week of holidays left. Woohoo! So I'm off. I'm on my way to. I'm checking out of here. I'm on my way to another Airbnb. Is my point. So yeah, it's too bad because this is a really nice place. Will you see it? This is a really nice Airbnb. So let me show you. So Brookside, Edmonton, it's just a suburb of Edmonton. I had a hell of a time finding a trash bin around here. There's no trash bins anywhere. I was just cleaning out the apartment, putting all my stuff aside, and taking out the trash. And the closest trash bin was over there at that stop sign. So I had to take all my trash over there, over that bus stop. Anyways, I just have a couple more things left in the apartment. I thought I'd do a walk through. So this is not a garbage can. I had to go across the street. This is like for sand and salt for the winter time. Super nice place. This is a really nice place. I'm disappointed I didn't get it for longer. Will you see it? Pull in this. There we go. So this place had a couple of amenities. Check this out. That is really humid in here. Really humid and chlorinated. Small little hot tub over there in the corner. But yeah, nice pool. Looks clean. The windows are a little bit filthy. Nice pool. I didn't use it. I was only here for a few days. So this Airbnb is on the 4th floor. Can anybody guess? We're on the 4th floor. You're about to see. Hey YouTube world. So I've got about another half an hour left before I'm supposed to be out. I've got most of my stuff cleared out. Just doing the final walkthrough. So this is interesting. It's all really super clean here. But through this fire door, down some stairs. And this is my Airbnb apartment. 420. Woo! Cheers. So let me show you this apartment. So this place was about $75 a night. And quite reasonable. Will you see it? Compared to a hotel room, that's $125, and you can't even cook in your hotel room. So nice kitchen. I like this lighting up above. When you're doing stuff in here, it makes it feel like there's like a moonroof or a sunroof. Makes it feel like there's natural light coming through. I like that. Shut off this light. There's a couple of things left in here from previous people. I could have ate the guy's ice cream, but I didn't. Comes with this card. And these keys should be left here. Nice little computer working desk here. Hutch. Ceiling fan. And check this out. This treadmill is gigantic. It's huge. A NordicTrack. It's gotta be freaking 7 or 8 feet long and about 4 feet wide. Doesn't do it justice on camera. Like, this thing is huge. Well, hopefully they're using it because it's taking up a lot of space. Oh, I see. You can put your little iPad up there and watch videos and stuff while you're walking. That's a good idea. Then the living room. Big 65-inch TV there. Comfortable sofas. And the balcony. I had locked it. Unlock it. I like the artificial turf out here. Propane, but the tank is empty. Then I had these lights going for the last couple of nights. Locked out again. Just a little closet here. Pantry. Look. With a huge Canada map. Huge map of Canada in there. And I see a lot of stuff marked off. Huh, that's kind of neat. Like that. These are just, they're fabric. They're definitely paintings. Cute. So yeah, so I love this living room. The sofas are very comfortable. I've put the remotes back. The TV is nice and big when you're sitting there watching TV. Meaning I don't really like small TVs. I like a big TV. So yeah, just empty closets. So this is a neat little area here. With its own privacy door. Vanity. Cute little alarm clock up there. Nobody needs those anymore with everybody having a phone on them. Cute little bathroom here. And then lastly, the bedroom. That bed was so freaking comfortable. King size bed. And they have this here all locked off for their own privacy. Probably clothes. It's all locked up. But yeah, that bed was so freaking comfortable. King size bed. I used the fan. Helps me go to sleep, and they have a second fan over here. I should actually shut off. There we go. Everything's shut off now. Except for that lamp. Take care of that lamp. But yeah, nice place, eh? $75 a night. That's a pretty good deal. Wish I could have stayed longer. It's really comfortable. It's really private, really super clean. I liked it. Oh, it looks like it's freaking pouring out now. It's been raining on and off the last couple of days, like torrential downpours, and then it would stop for a couple hours and then more rain. I don't even know if you can even see that. Wow, again, pouring. Anyways, I should end the year. Trev from Monthly Missions, and yeah, this is my Brookside apartment. I believe I said it was in Brookside, Edmonton. Edmonton is so big, it has different suburbs like Toronto. I'm from the Toronto area. Just got back actually, and I was expecting to go back to camp. I was expecting to go back to work tomorrow, but I've been told I have another week off, which is fantastic. So I'm just about to leave here and go on to another Airbnb. So yeah, nice place, eh? Hit the thumbs up if you agree. Thanks everybody for everybody's support. We're at like 310,000 subscribers now. Thanks so much, everybody. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, friends, hit that subscribe button. There's some more amazing videos coming up, not just Airbnbs, but I have some car videos saved up. So we'll see you then. See you in the next video. Take care, friends. Trev from Monthly Mission signing out.